Good morning, guys. Today I am moving back into my sorority house. It is the end of winter break. I move a lot of my stuff out at winter break because it's like a 3 to 4 week break and that's a long time. So I take a lot with me. Next year I'll have an apartment. So this is my last time moving into my sorority house, which is emo. But I still have not packed, so I need to pack everything. It shouldn't be too hard. Okay, I have most of my clothes packed. It's honestly like not a ton packed, but my dad actually gave me this monitor. He had an extra one and it's really nice because you can like plug your laptop into it so you can have 2 screens, and also it's just like better for your eyes because it's larger. And it might be weird for me to bring it to my sorority house, but I'm kind of thinking about it because I have really bad posture and I've been getting like carpal tunnel from like my posture when I'm doing stuff, and I'm thinking that this will help me like sit up straight, and if I'm sitting up straight then I'll be reminded to like do my wrists right, you know what I mean? I don't know. Basically, when I sit at a desk, I hunch over and then I also let my wrist relax, and it's giving me really bad issues in my wrists. And so if I'm sitting up straight because the laptop or the screen is eye level, then maybe I'll fix my wrists too while I'm at it if I'm thinking about it. And also just the fact that having 2 screens makes doing homework so much easier. Like, you're in college and you can like have a monitor. They're pretty cheap. I would suggest going to get one because my boyfriend has one and it's really nice because he can pull like the textbook up on one monitor and scroll through it, and then also have like the homework on the other side, and that just makes it speed by so much faster rather than trying to do like 2 little screens on your laptop. And like my laptop's tiny. It's nice to have a small laptop for like going to class and walking around with it a lot, but it's not nice when it comes to like your eyes and all of that. But I'm debating bringing it. I don't know if that would be weird. I don't know. This garbage bag method is my holy grail for packing, hanging clothes. This is all I'm bringing, just those 2 garbage bags because I have my winter capsule wardrobe right now. So just gonna bring that with me. So I just need to put them in this, and then that's all of my clothes packed because the rest of them are in this suitcase. So 2 garbage bags and a suitcase, and that's all of my clothes, which is, wow, impressive. Everything is packed, which is very exciting. I have nothing else to pack. Just have to take it all to my car and load it up. I put a poll in my sorority house group chat and I was like, hey, should I bring a monitor or is that weird? So far, you should bring it is winning, so I might end up actually bringing it. My car is packed. I'm gonna drive to Fayetteville now. Packing is always the boring part. I like to show you guys the unpacking because I think that's more fun. I don't even know when my roommates are getting there, if I'm honest. But I am bringing the monitor. We're on our way together. I got my influencer hat on at the house, bringing up this load of stuff. I always keep this dolly in my car and it comes in handy so often. We're back! Yep, I don't honestly have that much to unpack, but I'll do a time lapse for you guys of unpacking everything just because I know you guys like that stuff. I'm totally unpacked, finally. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is gonna be it for this short little moving vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye, guys.